Hi, good evening, grade 8. Okay, 5.3 is about interpreting rate of change and slope. Okay, let me start explaining the first example in your book. Explain 1 is determining the slope of a line. So to determine the slope of a line, okay, we use the graph. So when you say slope means a line a slope of a line is the range of rise to run for any 2 points on the line. So it is the difference in y values over the difference in x values, or the rise over run of the 2 points. For example, in letter A, you have two ordered pairs, which is 2, 1, and 3, 4. So how do you count the rise and run so we can get the slope of a line? So which means from 2, 1 up to 3, 4. Let's count. Okay, so the interval of this is by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So which means half of this is 1. So which means you go up or you go rise 1 unit plus another 2 units. So how many is your rise? So which means you have 3. So rise is 3. Then over, what is your run from these 2 points? Okay, so which means when you go rise 3 units, okay, then you move also from here, this is 2, going to this point. What is this? That is only 1 unit because from 2 to 4 is 2 units. So your run is 1. So which means your rise over run or your slope is 3 over 1 or 3. Okay, another thing is let's start using these 2 points. I have negative 2, 3, and 1, 0. It doesn't matter where do you start. If you want 1, 0 only, if you want to start on 1, 0, or you want to start on negative 2 over 3. So just count the rise and run. If I'm going to count rise, it can be also going down or going up. Okay, if I'm going to start from negative 2, 3, okay, this is by 2's also. So this is 1 unit plus 2 units. So what is your rise? But you go down, so it will be negative. So negative 3. How about your run? Your run is going to the right. So which means you have how many units? This is 2 units because this is by 2's. And another 1 unit. So which means your run is 3. So what is negative 3 over 3? That is equivalent to negative 1. Or if you want to follow the steps by doing this, okay, it's like you get the 2 points and then you subtract the change in y or the difference in y and in x. So which means you have 4 minus 1 and 3 minus 2. You can apply that one also. Okay, it can be 0 minus 3, and then also you can have 1 minus negative 2. 1 minus negative 2. So what is 0 minus 3? Negative 3. What is 1 minus negative 2? It's positive 3. So what is negative 3 over 3? Negative 1. So your slope is negative 1. That is how you find the slope, okay, or determining the slope of a line using the graph. Okay, that's all.